name is Tony Varghese, and I stand here to evaluate the speech, the Project 3 speech of Toastmaster Arvind. Where is he? Arvind here. And herein I would be using those 4 important criteria that Ron mentioned: C, A, R, and E. And who better to connect with Arvind on his speech about how did Anupam Kher lose all his hair but me, and of course Arvind, the other Arvind, Chandra Mohan. So I would definitely connect with you and your speech here. I already connected. Thank you very much. But jokes apart, Arvind, I should tell you that this is one of the most brilliant topics that you have selected. It is a topic which looks a little funny on the outer side, but if you delve into it, it is a difficult topic to handle for an early speaker, because you have just given your icebreaker speech and now you have just learned how to construct a speech and to immediately handle a speech which is something to do about humor, at the same time give you a bit of information, at the same time not to really offend people like me, and also I being his evaluator, is a difficult thing. It's really difficult for you to balance all these things. And Arvind, I should congratulate you, appreciate that you did a wonderful job there. Can we all have a big round of applause for him? Recommendations. Arvind, I will not go into the speech content that you had, just like Ron highlighted, but I would go into the good aspects of your speech as well as some of the improvement areas that Arvind would have. Arvind, first of all, a great topic. Secondly, what a brilliant way to open a speech. You really captured our imagination by saying, do you know how did Anupam Kher lose all his hair? And then you went on to say that make-believe story that you had about him. Brilliant way to open. You captured our attention. You used wonderfully, you blended humor wonderfully into your speech. Very good. Even I was not offended but laughing at everything that you were saying. I also noticed one thing. Towards the start of your speech, didn't you forget a few words in between? But you didn't let anybody know that. You weaved that aspect into your speech by saying that it is so easy to forget your speech and the speech comes back to you, and all of those things. I could see that sitting there. Brilliant, wonderful. Now coming to the improvement areas, I think you need to show a little bit more confidence. Your body should speak. You should use this stage, this whole space, this whole real estate is for you. Please use this space and talk to people. Go there, talk to him, look at this person's face and talk to him. Look at this bald guy and that bald guy sitting and talk to him. You should have done that. You didn't do it. You were stuck to this particular tile, or your favorite tile. And also, your hands were in the pocket most of the time. Please, no, God did not create your hands and your limbs to put into some pocket. These are free moving tentacles. Please use it. Okay? Use it to express yourself. I hope that you will do that the next time. Sometimes I felt that it was probably Anupam Kher himself telling his sad story standing there. Please do not let people feel like that. Use enthusiasm a lot more. And there are a few more things which I'll connect with you after the meeting. This is my evaluation for Arvind. Thank you so much.